So, I just wanted to give the next guy a simple way to actually save some money. You can actually check out my blog right here on my page. This is on my Instagram. Or if you find this video on YouTube, you can find all the information, any links in the description below, including Instagram and the blog. But basically, I'm about to share how to actually get you a free flight by using American Express card. So, I this was about 2 years ago when I actually got this card. I love this card. I love the benefits that I have with this card. But say you're a college student or just somebody looking to save a little bit of money. You can use this on the holidays whenever you want. When you sign up for this card, they give you about 30,000 points. And with that 30,000 points, that's about $500 or maybe a little bit more worth in a plane ticket. Not only that, what the benefits include is you get a free bag. You can check in a free bag, priority boarding, so you get in first. You don't have to wait in lines. You get additional protection and extended warranty. Um, and what am I thinking? Automotive protection at the same time. So if you get stuck on the side of the road with a rental, your rental protection is going to kick in. So you get a lot of benefits, including the travel protection and credit protection. So and the ability to save about $500 on the flight. So depending where you want to go, it could be a couple flights. If it was something like me, where I like to fly to the south, like Alabama and junk. It was a round trip, so about $500 at the time. Covered it perfectly. Not only that, I had my travel protection, I had priority boarding, I get discounts on any flight purchases with the Delta airline, and more on top of that. So, all around, I was saving money, and at the same time, the warranty on the card saves me a lot of money as well. So if I had any fraudulent purchases and shit like that, actually a credit card is much better to have versus using a debit card anyways. Because you got to think of it this way. You use a debit card, it takes the cash directly from your account. You've already lost that cash. No protection at all. You got to wait so many days to get your money back. With this card, I've had my share of issues where I've had like double purchases or extra purchases that weren't even mine. I would just call the card company. They would they would run their check and they would give me my money back. They would pin it on the business or the person that actually messed up my money. So I won't have to worry about getting stuck with the bill, so as you have that much protection. And that's just any credit card in general. You don't want to always use a debit card. You want to use a credit card, and at the same time, you want to build credit. Oh, I didn't. And at the same time, I was going to show you another one. So this is another card. You can actually use it to kind of save an additional $150. So think of it this way. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, now they changed it up a little bit. You have to pay $500 between 3 months. So that $500 is very easy to spend, and even still, you get that $150 back. So even if you didn't have the money, the full 500, you're still going to get $150 back instantly. So you only spent $350 no matter what. And you could look at it this way: it's probably going to be on shit that you were already going to buy. So why not save yourself the hassle, save you some money, and at the same time build yourself some credit? So as far as building credit goes, I'm going to explain that for you. Use that on bills, stuff you're already going to buy for the month. You have a cell phone bill, cool. Are you a college student? Are you going to have to buy books? Hey, you can make it an easy hustle. Use that card to buy your books and save you some money. You use that card between 3 months. You're going to pay your cell phone bill, car insurance, buy your books. You saved $150 there. You go on Amazon and save you some extra cash there. Hey, why not? And you're building your credit. And then to get these cards, all you got to do is click that link right there, and you can get the offer right there, and you get money back. And then the same for the other card, the link is right there. I'll fix the link, but yeah, let me explain the credits though. So as far, like I said, with credit, it's, you want to be careful about that. With credit, all you legit have to do is just stay on top of your purchases. Track your purchases. You know what you're spending at by the end of the month. You already know how much money is in your bank account. You know how much money you make. So it should be easy for you to actually manage it, especially since nowadays all banks have an app. You have a cell phone. Set your alert so whenever you make a purchase, your phone's going to notify you. Actually, you can do it with your credit card too. You use your credit card mainly over your debit card, because when you use your credit card, you're going to accumulate points or money back. And at the same time, your purchases are more secure versus using a debit card. When you use a debit card, there is no security in that. Your money is leaving your account. Bye bye. But when you use a credit card, you have the protection of that credit card company. So if there was a bad purchase or a purchase you didn't even make on that end, you are safe. Your money won't be wiped from your account. They will call the company and they will fight it for you. They will dispute it for you. And you won't even have to pay it. That's on the company. But overall, as far as growing your credit, like I said, spending on stuff that you're already going to spend your money on. Do not go over your credit limit. Just buy the stuff you need or use it on bills, and then just pay it off the moment you get your statement. That is literally all I do each and every time, and my credit score just keeps rising. And from someone who had been through identity theft, like even before he graduated high school, it's good, because before I couldn't even get a credit card at all. I got my first credit card was Capital One. It was cake, and then I just got these cards, and ever since I'm almost at a perfect 800 now. After a couple of years, so that's perfect after being at a low about 200. So I'm cool. But this is information to help the next person that wants to grow their credit, that wants to save some money. If you want to go ahead and do that, the links will be on this page, and I will put it in the description of the video below as well. And or YouTube, or you can message me directly for the link, because when you use those links with Chase Freedom Card, you will get an additional $100 back, and then with this card you get an additional 12,500. So why not? That's like an extra 100.